Hey family, it's your boy XAUKING and I'm back with another video. Today we are going to talk about gold and where it's going. So first we're going to analyze gold on a higher time frame. I believe that the 4-hour is good for us to start. And what I want you to look at on the 4-hour is the current market structure. So we can clearly see that gold is bearish due to the recent highs that it has created but has not broken above. As you can see, these levels. And lastly, I'll just use this area, so you can see that this is all bearish. Reason being, price has continued to break these levels down below. So this is going to be a quick lesson. I just want you guys to focus, and I want you guys to understand how we are going to take trades from now on. So this can clearly show you that price has been breaking zones below. So this shows us that price is clearly bearish. Now we see that price is trying to recover at this specific level. So we will call this level our entry level. So basically this area here will become the new area of support, right? I think I'll just put a line. So this becomes our support, and you can see that price is clearly above it. Okay, but price has a little resistance on the 1 hour. So if you go on the 1 hour 30 minutes, you see the price clearly has a resistance somewhere around this level here. You can clearly see that this is an area of interest. So this is a resistance level. We want to see price breaking above. So we want to see price breaking above this area, coming back for a retest of the structure, and then we take longs all the way here. Okay, so this area is our area of targets. Now let's see how that will look like. But before we can conclude this technical analysis, which is short and simple, we have to actually draw the trend lines. Okay, so here we are. We can put select the ascending channel tool. We tap this and go all the way down here, and then we mark it up like this. All right, so there we have it. We actually have our ascending channel, which is perfect, but now we can add a trend line right here, or a channel within a channel, which is this. I can say this. It's also the same. So this can perfectly show you that price just hit the bottom. So what you want to understand is that every time price reaches the bottom of a channel, this bottom line of the channel represents support, the middle line of the channel represents support and resistance, and the top line represents resistance. Now from here, where is price going? Price is clearly going up, okay, because of the volume and rejection of the candles here at the level. So we had good rejection there. Let me just erase that because that looks strange, but anyways, we had good rejection here, and now we see price also creating good structure. But this is consolidation, by the way. This is consolidation, and that being said, we need a confirmation, and the best confirmation we can get is when price breaks above this level. We can then project our trade, which initially will be a bullish move to the upside like this. On the 1 hour, this is how it would look like, and then on the lower time frames, I would have to make it look better. So I don't want to have these things around when I conclude my analysis, so I'm going to go on another chart, and then we conclude the analysis and make it look better. So we go maybe to paper stone. Let me erase everything that's here, for example. Yes, I believe that this has to be erased. Now we are here on paper stone, and on paper stone I want us to take a look at this as well. This is an area of interest. So this being an area of interest on the 1 hour, I have to go on the 15 minutes to see if there's anything I can have a look at, because I want to refine my entry. So in order for me to refine my entry, I need to make sure that this is well adjusted. So this can be there, this can be here, and then I have another level here at the top, which is this one. I would be careful to wait for price to clearly break above this before I can enter. So if I have to enter where price is currently at now, so let me put this here, because all I need to know is to make sure that the lines are accurate enough. So my entry should be based on this area here, all right? My entry should be made here. This would be my level of entry. And how I would do this is by selecting my Fibonacci retracement tool, pulling it up from here, and making sure that my entry will be taken there. So I will bring my entry here. This will be my entry level for now, which I missed. Basically, it's my entry window. Stop loss will be around this level here. So this will be S, right? And this will be entry, which will be an E, right? The prices of these levels are right here. Let me just put them there. So entry would be at the price level of the coordinates is accurate enough like this. So you just copy and paste the coordinates, and then I also copy and paste the coordinates for the stop loss, and then I just paste it, and now I have everything set. Now I just have to select my long and short position like this, and then I have to put it like that, and now I bring it up. So now I have things to look at. This level here, price has to be above this, and then after that price has to rally up above this level. All right, I want to see price above that level. So basically what I'm trying to say is that price has to do something like this. All right, so it's here, and then from this level as well I want to see something like this. All right, so let's wait for that. Let me just erase this and then conduct the final make the final screenshot and share it with the rest of the community. So this is us right now. Again, this would be one of the targets. Actually, this would be one of the targets as well. So this would be target. Okay, so I'll just set it a T. I'll put the coordinates as well. Options, Command V, there you have it. And then our final target, this will also be another target right there, but our final target is right here at the top. I want to see price get here, but I believe that price will actually reach here, so I'll just add it there. This is going to be how long the trade will be. One of the targets is here as well, so this will be another T. And every time I add a T and the coordinates, just make sure that those are prices that you can copy on your trade to your analysis. And I just want to leave something important for you guys. So if you're interested in trading with me, I'll leave the link in the description for my free Telegram channel, in which you can join for free. All you have to do is make sure you register under the broker that I'm trading with. You send me a screenshot of that, you make a deposit, you start trading, and you just take my setups for free. I hope that this helps you out in the long run, and I hope you like and subscribe to the channel. This will help you as well, because you'll then be able to hit the notification bell to see whenever I post. All right, let's get back to being active. This is going to help you out a lot. From time to time I'll be doing live trading sessions, so this is one of the setups that I have for you guys here today. So this is buy. All right, let me just put the text here so that you guys can also clearly check it out. So it's going to be XAUSD, right? XAUSD, which is gold. long or slash buy setup. All right, so this is it. IG is going to be XAUKING at off. If you want to DM me, you can just DM me on that. Let's increase the font size, make it bold, increase the font size to 24 and see how that will be. So there you have it. Our analysis has been conducted. This is our trade setup. I'm going to share this with the rest of the community. I hope you enjoy. From here, I only see buys. I think the last thing that I have to paste here is this one. This is the last thing I have to paste or post here. So this is it. And here we go. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next gold session.